This video shows what driving down Wickwar High Street will look like when the council implement the 20 mph speed limit. If you are driving north into Wickwar on the B4060, the first thing that you will see is the new zebra crossing just after the mini roundabout. I recorded this video on a wet Sunday afternoon in October, and I was very surprised to be overtaken by a lorry. As you approach the youth club, you will see the start of the 20 mph zone. A pedestrian refuge will be built somewhere in the vicinity of the youth club. There will be double yellow lines on the left at this corner, so I assume that cars currently parked on the left will in the future park on the right where there will not be any double yellow lines. The narrow bit of the high street will have single yellows on the left to ban parking on work days. So for typical through traffic, there will be the 4 existing speed ramps plus 4 new speed ramps. The double yellows near the traffic lights do not appear to have been changed. If you leave Wickwar on the B4509, the Downs, the 20 mph zone will end shortly after you turn onto the Downs. If on the other hand you drive south into Wickwar on the B4060 Station Road, the 20 mph zone starts before the Chase Lane and Turnpike Gate junction. The first speed ramp is just before this junction, and the second one is just after. There are speed ramps just before and after the zebra crossing. For some reason there are smaller speed bumps on either side of the road just after the zebra crossing.